I just had to climb into that canal to extend this suction line about 20 feet. Today's challenge is going to be taking this 20-foot stick of PVC to extend this intake line a little bit further out. And as you can see, we've got a landscape liner at the bank here, which is going to make it incredibly hard to dig this up. That is also about a foot under the water or more, or a couple of feet under the surface of the ground here, so digging this back is going to make it real difficult. Our first attempt is going to be to get into the water and cut the pipe there so that we can add the pipe from this point out. Let's hope that works. I'm all soaking wet, but that line is 20 feet out further than it was before, and there's my connection. I did that entire connection above ground. Hopefully that camera over there caught that, but it's only shooting in time lapse, so maybe one or two of those clips will show how I did that. I basically got that pipe up out of the water, set it across my knee, had the glue on the bank, had enough of it on the brush to get the glue onto the pipe, and I already had glue on the socket of the fitting, so all I had to do was push the two together, underwater we went, good to go. Now we just got to prime up the pump, and hopefully we have a happy customer. We even cleaned the screen too. It wasn't very, very dirty, but, oh, for sure. Oh, of the float? Yes, it is. I saw the length. It's actually a little bit more than it needs to be, which is fine.